Hello. Sally Suite's Chrome extension can now assist you with your writing. For example, I'm going to write an article about AI and education. Select the text I entered. Click on the writing icon in the toolbar and select Expanded Writing. The tool helped me to expand on the theme. Click on the Replace icon to replace what I've entered. Now you can perform other operations. For example, improve writing, contain writing, and so on. You can also search for images based on selected content. Select the appropriate image to insert into the document. You can also generate images based on the selected text. Then, insert the image into the document. Make titles. Choose the appropriate title. Summarize this article. Thank you. Welcome to Try Sally Suite.